Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janae Antoinette, as you already know, and if you don't know, now you know. Okay y'all, so today I am bringing you a really quick video because I really do have to get out the door. But before I go, since it is back to school season, I want to bring you guys a hair video on easy back to school hairstyles. I really don't wear my hair in different hairstyles because I really am not a guru at this, so don't judge me in this video because I am not a beautician. I do not know how to style hair. I just thought this would be a really cute video on how to style your lace wigs. But first, let me give you details on this hair. This hair was provided to me by Royal Measurements. Don't judge me, I cannot say the word, but you see the title. First, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical about this unit because it's not as big as my units. I actually get my units made and I'll have like 6 bundles in it. So this is probably about 2 bundles with a lace frontal. So this was different for me because I didn't have as much hair. But I was like, you know what? This is like your everyday unit. You're not gonna wear 6 bundles in your hair like every day. I love this unit too because it curls so easily. It holds its curl. I love the luster of this hair. It's not too shiny and it's not dull and nappy. It's super soft. I can just like rub my hands in it, even with the curls in it. I have washed this unit, I have curled this unit, straightened this unit, put this in different styles and slept in it, and look, it's still super soft. I like it. What else can I give you about this unit? This is 22 inches. This hair is very affordable. I love what this company stands behind. This company was founded by Sequoia, and I'm going to actually read you a little bit about Royal Measurements. Okay, my journey with hair started when I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2013. I lost all my hair due to chemotherapy. After that, I started wearing wigs, which helped me feel just as beautiful as the day before my hair fell out. So here I am today with my own hair company to help uplift women that just want to feel good about themselves at an affordable price. I definitely agree with that. Her units and her bundles are very affordable. You can check her out on Instagram. The website has not yet launched, but you can definitely get in touch with her through Instagram, and I will put the link below on how you can do that. And she's actually running a special as well for back to school, so this video is perfect for right now since I'm showing you back to school styles and she has a back to school sale. So I'm gonna link her Instagram below so you guys can check her out. This unit, like I said, is a 22 inches long, and it is the body wave, if I didn't say that yet. But I'm rambling and I have to get out the door, so let's jump into this video. Okay, so the first style that we have is the style that I'm rocking right now, and that's going to be like just doing a part on the side, swooping it behind your ear, and then I just added some cute bobby pins. Y'all don't mind how my lace is looking because I didn't have time to lay it. Like I said, I'm kind of in a rush, so you're gonna see it lifting in some parts, but look, I gotta go. I'm just giving you examples. But yeah, I love I added these little clips on the side because it's kind of matching my shirt. You know, cute little aesthetic. And then this side is just some curls. I just threw some curls on it, swooped it on the side, and added some clips. That's the first cute easy style. These curls literally took me 15 minutes. I just grabbed a piece of hair, I grabbed my wand curler, rolled it around the wand, held it for 10 seconds, and then I got these curls. They were bigger than this, but I have combed through them. So, but yeah, that's really easy. If you did this style, you'll be 20 minutes top out the door. Okay. My next style that we have, I'm just going, since we already have this, I'm just going to take it and put it in a ponytail, in one ponytail. Okay.
I know I am. My crown is taller, bigger than any man. Yes, I have a plan. Building my queendom, one shiny brick at a time. You should have seen them all wanting to be you.
to do 2 space buns for you guys.
Who am I now? Oh, who am I now? Oh, who am I now? Oh, who am I now? Who am I now? Who am I now? Who am I? Thought I saw your car. Then I thought I heard you singing along to one of our favorite songs. So close, but yet so far. You loosen your hold on me too. Let me run free just for a little while. And then unconsciously you put your grip back on me. It's like you don't wanna see me smile, because as soon as I
By wrapping it around, guys, it just gives it more height.
do, I'm reminded of you, unshakable. Yeah, it's like a bad code. I don't know how to let you go, and I don't wanna make up. There's a reason for the breakup. I just wanna forget you existed. See, the thing about wishes, even they're incapable of the unshakable. Thought I felt your foot touch mine. Then I thought I smelled your cologne, the one you always have on, in my sleep last night. The memories of you are...
They're kind of uneven, y'all, but you know, if you were doing yours, take your time and, you know, make them even, space them out correct. But me, like I said, I'm in a rush today, so I don't have time. I'm looking for my little clip so I can show y'all. You can leave them like this, but I like to add just little accessories.
Haunting me, just let me be free for more than a little while. It's like you unconsciously have the lock and the key, just to take and give me my smile. Because as soon as I do, I'm reminded of you, unshakable. It's like a bad code. I don't know how to let you go, and I don't wanna make up. There's a reason for the breakup. I just wanna forget you existed. See, the thing about wishes, even they're incapable of the unshakable. It's like everywhere I turn, there's you. I try to stay alone.
So these are my 2 space buns. They are a bit of a fail to me, but you get the gist. I think they're cute if you know how to do them. Add some little threads in the ponytails, add some clips. You can take the clips out and just have the threads. Either way, that works. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's cute.
I try to move on as you. I just can't get away from you. Unshakable. Yeah. It's like a bad withdrawal. I don't know. You go. And I don't wanna make up. There's a reason for the breakup. I just wanna forget this addiction.
So next, basically, I'm just going to be giving you a big messy bun at the top.
Change the unshakable.
Secure it with your bobby pin. It's kind of coming apart, so I'm kind of just throw another rubber band on it. You just a bobby pin it until you get it how you want it. Okay, so I freshened up my curls a little bit at the back. And so yeah, I just put a high bun and then did some curls at the back. And you know, you can also throw the thread in at the top. I'm gonna show you how I do that. Give me 1 second. Yes, I am pretty much obsessed with thread. You can also add a little clip up in there. You can do some just different, you know, with your bobby pins, stack them up, make them like this kind of. That'll be cute. It's a lot of stuff you can, it's a lot of different styles you can do with your lace fronts, you know. Just type in used to lace front styles, how to style your hair with wigs, and you can get all of that. Just make sure you guys use some good quality hair. Like this hair, I got at real measurements. And, you know, I like this wig because it's easy to style. So, definitely check out that Instagram page. So, this next hairstyle, y'all, literally, I just took the bun down. You see, this is the same little twist. And I just put the hair to the side. You can also do it to the middle. And have, you know, your hair like this. That's a cute style. You know, fix it up nice. But I don't know, for some reason I'm feeling this to the side thing. It just takes it back to the 90s for me, and I like that. You know, add more pins to give it more height. You know, fix it up if you were really gonna wear it out. Do y'all see how the hair still really hasn't tangled really bad? And I have been just throwing it in all types of styles.
I know who I am. My crown is taller, bigger than any man. Yes, I have a plan. Building my queendom, one shiny brick at a time. You should have seen them all, wanting to be you by my side. And this giant castle with marble floors and chandeliers and beautiful windows. They all tell me how they want to be there, but I want you. Nobody else can sit in the throne that I made for you, 'cause I made it for you.
Y'all, I am rushing, so my hair do not look nothing how I want it to look, but I just want you guys to get the gist of different styles. Yeah, these braids look horrible. These last two styles, because I was in a rush, was definitely fail. But y'all get it. Y'all just make sure y'all do y'all's neater when you're doing yours. And I do not mean to come on here and just throw y'all anything, but I really have to go. I didn't know it was gonna take this long, but I have to get out of here, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know, even though I was in a rush, if you like this video, and definitely let me know which style you like the best. And make sure you guys go to Royal Measurements Instagram and check out her hair. If you're interested in getting this unit, make sure you contact her via the DM. The website is under construction right now, and I can't wait for the website to launch, and I'll update you guys when it do launch. But that's it. See you in my next video. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you haven't watched all of this and didn't subscribe to me. Come on now. I know we better than that. We better than that. We are on the road to 10K. I cannot wait. Make sure you hit that little bell so you can get notification when I do post a new video as well. Bye.